Here at Visible Body, we're always adding more content and features to Visible Body Suite to help our users teach and learn. Let's walk through our Spring 2025 updates. First, we've got new illustrations showing planes and positions, regional terminology, directional terminology, movement terminology, and body cavities and serous membranes. There's also an anatomical terminology practice multiple choice quiz. All of this front-of-the-book content can be found in Chapter 0 of our step-by-step A&P course. Next, we've got a series of illustrations highlighting common anatomical variations, from the circulatory system and the musculoskeletal system to the reproductive system and more. Lastly, you'll see that now you can turn any gross anatomy model into a gross anatomy lab model. Use the Model Orientation section of the info box to toggle the dissection table and switch between anatomical position in 3D space and prone or supine on the table. To explore all our amazing learning content and 3D models for yourself, check out Visible Body Suite at visiblebody.com/VBSuite.